guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make fried broccoli. So you need you some fresh broccoli, and we're going to cut off the stem and just cut them in pieces. Then we're just going to put them in a bowl, but you need fresh broccoli for this, not any kind of frozen kind, fresh kind. So go ahead and cut up your broccoli. Try to make the stems a little long. It really don't matter, but I like stem on mine. So this is just me cutting this up, getting ready to fry us some tasty broccoli. Go ahead and wash this off and come back. In a bowl, you're going to crack you 2 to 3 eggs, and you're going to whisk. Most people say you whisk this until the eggs is white, but I mean, some eggs ain't going to turn white unless you just going to be whisking all day, and some do, but it's fine. It don't have to be white. So after that, add you a couple of sprinkles of flour. So this you want to make like a paste. So go ahead and whisk that together. Make it like a little paste. And you might need to add just a little bit more flour in there. It's okay. Go ahead and add it because you want it to be real thick. As you can see, the consistency as it's turning out like this. So now you want to grab you some water. Now you're going to pour this water. I'm sorry, not water. We're going to go with the seasoning. Season this. I'm putting in excess garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and seasoning salt. These are the seasonings that I have in here. If you want salt and pepper, that's fine with you. It really don't matter. That's just optional, up to you. I don't think I said Mrs. Dash, but yeah, just go ahead and whip those seasonings that you like in there and make sure it's incorporated all the way through. Now here's the step where you're going to add you some water. Add little tabs as it go so it can just thicken up. It's going to loosen it up, but it's also going to thicken it up. As you can see in the video, just add a little water. If it get too runny, add you some more flour. Now, you know, if you add flour, you're going to need to add you a little bit more seasoning. But as you can see, it's like a little paste. And then you want to just incorporate this all over the broccoli. Make sure it's covered all over. And just get them on the head part of the broccoli. Then after that, you're going to cover this with aluminum foil, put it in the refrigerator for 25 minutes. And then we're going to come back. When we come back, you can do a little bit more mixing. You can get you a bag of flour. I have some seasoned flour, as you can see. So you're going to just dip all these broccolis in the flour, and you're going to put it on a sheet. Excuse my sheet. I know it wasn't long enough, but it's just fine. And after you do this process, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes because you want that flour to stick to the broccoli. Now, I know a lot of people might boil a broccoli, then freeze it in water, and then come back, but that defeats the purpose because you're just going to drop these right in this cooking grease, and it's going to cook it through. So I think that defeat of doing a boiling. So I just put mine in there. And as you can see, it is frying. And this is so delicious. It tastes really good, I'm telling you. Look how that broccoli look. Yes, when we get to the end of this, you're going to love this. Look at this fried broccoli. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you think about this video. And if you tried what I tried, let me know. If you have something else, let me know. Until again, we meet again. Thank you for tuning in with Talicia's Kitchen of this edition of Fried Broccoli.